Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from AC Moore and Michael's, Tuesday Morning. But first and foremost, I have to make a complaint. I noticed last year this time I was having problems with my YouTube account, having the same problems again. This year they seem to get better now, but for the last month or so I've been having difficulties commenting, uploading. I've had comments to say that my Tuesday morning products were copyrighted. They want to demonetize. You can't share them because they're somebody else's product, all this other stuff. Then it disappeared. Then it would keep signing me in and out, saying that I'm not signed in. I can't upload video after I already signed in. Well, I don't even never sign out, so that makes no sense. And I can see my picture right in the corner that shows that I am signed in. So after I upload videos, then it won't let me publish them or save them into draft form because it says I'm not signed in. So then a couple times I actually just closed it down or whatever. Then I went into my account. They were already in my account. So I've just been having crazy problems. I don't know if anybody else has been experiencing that. Then iMovie had updated. I guess it's been about a month now, and that was acting crazy. So it didn't have the sound feature, which is what I use it for, is to boost my sound, because of my cell phone when I record, the sound is not good. So I downloaded a different app to correct the sound, because iMovie, every time they upgrade it for the first couple of weeks, half the features are not in there, then they come back, whatever. So this other one, I didn't realize I had like 4 videos that cut off exactly 5 minutes and 1 second. So I didn't even know it was cutting on my videos. So 2 of my swap videos, my rack from Apollonia, some Tuesday morning videos. So I just want to say to the people that gave me the swap and to Apollonia, sorry about that. I did not know that it was cutting off for me. So like maybe a minute left or whatever. So just crazy random stuff been happening. And then I was having problems commenting. I mean, just crazy stuff. But now it seems to be working again. So it seems like every time they do that beta stuff, my account gets affected. I don't know what the problem is. So I don't know if anybody else experienced it, but it's, like I said, it seems to be clearing up. But I'm glad I did find out that my videos all had 501. Like that was the maximum amount of time for whatever reason. It was weird when I edited in this new program. So I won't be using that because it's cutting all of my videos off, because when I upload them from my phone, it can be 12 minutes. But then, so I'm thinking it's the same 12 minutes. And then when I upload to YouTube, it comes out to 5 minutes. So frustrating. Alright, so I'm done with that. I just wanted to say that just in case anybody noticed that like 4 or 5 of my videos cut off exactly the same time. Alright, so anyway, I had got this from AC Moore on sale with a coupon. This was the Precision Press. I think I got it for 60% off. I think the regular price was $35, so whatever that is. And then they had, this is Tuesday morning as well, but they had them on sale at AC Moore. I think this was on sale for, it was $49.99 or $39.99, and I got it for $9.99, which Tuesday morning had a stack, I think, for the same price. It might have been different colors, I can't remember. But anyway, I don't know if it was 100 sheets, but it's 100 sheets for $10, and that's the Basel paper. So that's it from there. Then I picked up some other stuff. These Tuesday morning for a couple people, and these are just a project in life, but they're the different shapes. Splitting these with somebody. They're all $2.99. So these are the 12x12s, 3-hole punch. These just show you the shapes of the 12x12s. And this one is 2163775. They have a ton of Project Life. Oh my gosh, all the kits. So much Project Life stuff. And then this one is just a 12, another configuration, and this is 2163758. And again, you can stop, pause it if you need to get a number. 2106956 as well. And then the last one is 2163759. So just different configuration. They also had the 8.5 by 11. And it was a ton of stuff. They still putting stuff out, so I'm gonna go back tomorrow And this was for somebody. So this is the My Mind's Eye, the Tutti Frutti, which they have pretty much all the stuff. I saw the magnets out today, and they had the ephemera, the brads. I think I've even seen stickers, but quite a few things. So it's a nice summary paper, double-sided. And I've shown this in my walk through the store. 215-8642, and that's what those look like. And then this paper pad, I got this one for me. This goes along with the 12 by 12 one I got in the ephemera last week. 215-8665. Happy days. Tons more of the embossing folders by Doris. And this is Think Happy Thoughts, 2163072. And there's a couple more that I hadn't taken out the pack yet and put the stickers on them, so I couldn't get them yet. This is just sort of like a wreath, but it's full of houses. And again, $1.49, 2163070, and it's just some cacti. And that one is 2163067. They had, when I said Doris, they had maybe about 7 designs, but the interesting thing is, like this, they may have had 6. Each design, they had no less than 6 to 10 of the same exact die, which was interesting. So you should be able to find a plethora of this in your store, because it was so many of the same dies. Like, you know how they usually get like a ton of embossing folders? Well, they didn't have as many embossing folders, so maybe like 5 or 6 designs, but they had tons. Like, everyone had at least 6 of the same one, and it was these two, some hearts, spider webs, like a badge and a star. I forgot the other designs, but anyway, I just thought it was interesting, these clouds. I don't have anything like that, so I got this one. And this is 2162980, because you can always use some clouds and some layouts, some cards, just some background stuff. You could even use this like for some grass, to be honest, or hills, so in the background. So not just the sky, but you could bring it down to the land if you like. This one I was on the fence about. So this is like, 3 cut out like a window, and basic heart, and like a little tag plate or something like that. 2162969. Of course, these are $3.99, so that's the good thing about the Reese's, and they come with a magnet already in it. That's why when you hold it, it's heavy. And I just got the Splendor brads for 215-8656, because I do have the paper collection. The charm set for $1.49 by Lemon and Love and Lemon, 2129561. I thought it was cute. I only saw one pack. I was trying to see what other colors and stuff they had. But this one says, why not? Wonderful. Today is the day. Pow and be epic. And so they have some of these in the brads, but I haven't seen them in the charm. So a couple of the bread sets that they have in the charms, I definitely would like to get. They're cute. What else did I get? Just some more of the tape. This is 1/4 inch for $1.99. 2125730. You can rip them with your hands. Got some jump rings, because I got them in gold the last time, and I got them in silver this time for $1.19, and it is 400 of them in here. 2129804. You can't beat that. And I got some more A2 cards, not cards, but the envelopes, because it's always great to have envelopes. So it's 50 pack for $2.99, and A2 size, which is this is 4 and 4.375 by 5.75, which fits the A2 card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, or by 8 1/2 by 11 piece of paper cut in half. 2072204. So I don't have to make some cards, but envelopes if I don't need to. I got 50 right here. And one other thing I did get, I just want to share this. I ordered from Totally Tiffany. Scraptastic that you can put. I got a 5-pack And you can put the ephemera, so it's a pocket here, I know it's clear, and a pocket here, it's supposed to hold paper, and pocket here, and here, you can hold some charms or whatever, and some more ephemera, and on this side over here, it's another pocket to hold some paper. So it comes in a 5-pack, and I got it on sale. And mine was damaged, so she ended up sending me, she just asked me to send her a picture, and she sent me a whole nother set, so I ended up with 10 of them. Of course, the first one's a little cracked, but you know, I can still put something in it, but I just thought that was really nice that they replaced those for me. So anyway, I just thought it would be nice to organize my papers and my ephemera, washi. You can put, you know, projects you started with, your scraps over here. So yeah. So anyway, just want to share that. So I think that is it. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.